Actually, today there's a big demand for research. We talk about marketing research, we talk about advertising research, we talk about research in sociology, research in psychology, research in education. So, but as we know that although this subject is a compulsory subject, especially for the people who want to do postgraduate studies, many of the students are afraid of this subject. Why? Actually, first of all, my answer is that, first of all, some people, especially students, think that research is very mathematical. You need to know a lot of arithmetic, you need to know statistics, and you need to know a little bit of philosophy. But I don't think that that is not our answer. That is, people should not be afraid because of research is every day. Actually, we are doing research. Now, if you go to the market, we want to find out how much is the price of potatoes, how much is the price of onions, like that. But then what is the difference between what you call our systematic research? Research is something very systematic and methodological. So I think in everyday, if you go to the market, we are just very informally, we are asking why, how much is 1 kilo of potatoes, how much is 1 kilo of onions. But in research, we are trying to find out the real cause. We are not asking informally, we are asking formally. Suppose we want to know suddenly why the potatoes price has gone down. So now if it is our own research question, then we need to do a systematic or methodological study about it. So therefore, I must say that we should not get afraid of the subject called research. It is, first of all, it's a very, very interesting subject, because in every day we want to know why that, what happened, and so on. So I think first thing I must tell you is that we need not be afraid of the subject called research. It is a part of our daily routine, part of our daily conversation, part of our own life.